आपने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है जिंदगी में।
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया एक्चुअली। सच बताऊं, मेरी लाइफ एक वेकेशन। Give him 8, I think.
Next film also I'll give you.
हाँ, you can pick 6 of love and dating.
Dating I can't. Love I can.
हाँ, मतलब
Yeah.
चलो।
चलो ठीक है।
dating also you should. Before the waking of a nation, I didn't shoot anything for 10 months. I was sitting at home.
Really?
I was sitting at home doing nothing.
What I saw when I met him was there was a hunger, a sincerity, and that is what spoke to me in the eyes that were there. And that if you're hungry about what you're going to be doing, then talent to ho hi jayega.
Who has been your favorite co-actor to work with and why?
It is Abhinav Sharma. He also happens to be my best friend in real life.
There are people who are passionately mediocre.
सही बात है, सही बात है।
So this is It's All Friendly with the team of The Waking of a Nation. Welcome to Yuva Studios.
Thank you.
How have you been?
Good.
Oh my God.
We are doing well.
Yeah,
We're
and
doing
I'm sure it's like an exciting phase, exciting time.
And exciting comes with fear and anxiety.
Anxious times.
And anxious times. Yeah.
So we're going to have a lot of fun क्योंकि ये एक गेम है. It's called It's All Friendly. बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज है एंड हर एक कैटेगरी में क्वेश्चंस है एंड ईच ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस हैज अ पॉइंट. सो आप compete कर रहे हो, which means you are your own team.
हैम्पर किधर है हैम्पर मैडम?
लाना सर प्लीज.
नहीं तो हम ये गेम नहीं खेलेंगे.
ठीक है, सो आप अपनी खुद की टीम हो and you have to just pick a chit, answer the question and you get the point that is there on the chit. Objective ये है कि आपको maximum point score करने.
So basically these are the harder questions.
Yeah,
because
like
there are
the
more points. Oh boy.
Ready?
Yeah.
कौन start करेगा पहले?
युवा
Taruk.
युवा, चलो.
Come on. Taruk.
Taruk, pick a question.
I'll take family and friends. I'll take a 2.
What?
Low hanging fruit, man.
Easy.
Competitiveness कहाँ गई? Okay.
Test match है जिंदगी.
A childhood memory you always go back to.
A childhood memory I always go back to playing football in the rain. I don't think I've ever been happier in my life than rain and a park and football and sliding away to glory in just like everything. It was just the best feeling ever because you know in Delhi it didn't rain that often.
Yeah.
तो जब बारिश होती थी और आप फुटबॉल खेल सकते हो बारिश में, एक तो आपको लड़के जाना पड़ता था घर से क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली
बीमार पड़ जाओगे,
गंदे हो जाओगे, ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट जो उसमें मजा है ना.
Why I didn't get this question?
You have to pick up a 2
क्यों?
for that.
आपकी क्या childhood memory है सर?
My childhood memory was that my parents knew when I was in Barsi, which is a small town outside Sholapur. My parents knew the theatre owner.
Okay.
And the 4 theatres were called after the Mangeshkar sisters. There were 4 theatres in Barsi. And because we knew the theatre owners, I could walk into any movie hall anytime. Even if it was house full, they'd put a chair for me. They'd give me a mangola. And I used to sit there in the theatre as a 7-year-old, 8-year-old. It was the safest place in the world to be in a movie hall. You remember yourself, you forget yourself. And you have mangola and you have ice cream and you have popcorn and then you're watching, let's say, Yado Ki Barat or whatever 12 times. And so it was my favorite childhood memory. Do I get that or does he get that?
I get it. It's my question.
Oh, it's your question.
Oh boy.
So 2 points to Taruk already. Okay. We coming to you now.
Yeah.
So order में जाते हैं.
हाँ तो
बताओ.
चलो नंबर 6 दे दो यार.
अरे वाह
इसी
वाह.
category
किस
का?
कैटेगरी?
category
उसी को पहले निपटा देते हैं ना.
अच्छा.
एक कैटेगरी चलते हैं.
चलो ठीक है. Okay. How do you handle conflicts or disagreement with friends while maintaining the friendship? क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रिलेशनशिप में जब दरारें आती है, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं, we do talk about it, but कभी-कभी हम दोस्ती को थोड़ा for granted ले लेते हैं. So how do you handle those disagreements?
They're very tough, in fact. Some of them are probably ongoing as well right now. So it's not easy to solve it. You're right. It's actually a tough question. It's not easy, but I think the only way forward is to be very forthright. You have to put forth whatever you want to say to that person or whatever you're feeling in front of them without any color of emotions like anger or prejudice, and also be, you know, मतलब कहते हैं ना, उतनी हीन भावना होनी चाहिए कि सामने वाले की भी बात सुनो, and also just get their perspective and then try to come to a mutual ground, because that's the only way.
And fail every time.
I've been failing very badly on that, but like I also feel that जैसे switch boards होते हैं ना जिनमें बहुत सारे plug points होते हैं, लगता है हर इंसान के अंदर कुछ अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ फॉल्टी होते हैं. So you just usually you try to play the safe thing of like just plugging each other on the common point, but sometimes you have to address those bad points and fix the short circuits.
Yeah.
That's the only way out, unfortunately. You have to sit down, talk about it.
Yeah.
Kya
Communication,
That's
I think,
true.
is the
I
key.
think the points are yours.
Valid?
Yes, nice.
Thank you.
6 points to Samiruddin.
Oh
okay.
man, now
Chalo,
that
Ram
means
sir,
I'll only get
चौका
4.
मारना है
Abhi,
आपने।
yeah, that's it. That
but
means
पर
if
आप
I
कोई
go
भी कैटेगरी
into
पिक कर सकते हो.
अगली बार इसलिए आप पहले बड़ा वाला उठा देना.
You can pick 6 of love and dating.
हाँ.
dating, I can't.
No, but you can
Love, I can.
हाँ, मतलब you can
चलो.
Chalo, ठीक है.
Dating also you should.
What according to you is the key to a long lasting relationship? कैसे मेंटेन किया जाए वो बताओ आप.
Yeah.
सिचुएशनशिप्स के जमाने में रिलेशनशिप कैसे संभाले?
You know, this is, I'll make a little joke about it first, which may be the best way to answer this. So we had General Dyer, who's there in our show. He's played by a man called Alex Reese. And so one day when we were in Amritsar, and he said to me, you know, Ram, my friend, he's just got divorced. And I said to my friend, look, either you can be right or you can be happy. So I think that what you have to be is choose.
That's right. But are you seeing this around you? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि लोग अभी relationships को handle और manage कर पा रहे हैं?
No. No, because they think they want to be right rather than want to be happy. And I feel that there is a big price that you have to pay when you put your foot down on being righteous. So that's something which you have to be very, very careful, you know, because sometimes what happens even in in a business meeting also, you know, if somebody says to me, "Nahi, principally, it's the principle of the matter." I said, "Chalo, maar gaya. Ye gaya." As soon as you use that word, because that comes from righteousness, no? Says no, but principally this is wrong. That means you're gone. So as soon as you begin to have a conversation where you got a moral, how shall I say, high-handedness, okay, I am right and you are wrong, means you're unhappy.
True.
Wow, what a perspective.
Acha,
Come on,
chalo.
एकदम.
I know.
6 points to Ram sir. Okay, Taru, we coming back to you.
6
Come on.
Finally.
Arey, he's getting competitive now.
of oh, mental health 6 might be. Yeah, okay, cool.
Okay, so the waking of a nation is also about a lot of like resilience, right? And that is why there's this question for you कि एक ऐसा moment बताओ अपनी जिंदगी में when you had to be resilient and how did you take care of your mental health then?
I think being an actor or a singer or a songwriter, artist, whatever you want to call it, comes with a lot of uncertainty as a profession. There's a lot of time that you have where you're going to do nothing. And I think that is the time that is most difficult to bear. In the majority of my professional life, I have not worked. I am working now. You know what I mean? It's been a lot of waiting. It's been a lot of thinking. It's been a lot of overthinking. It's been a lot of contemplating life and counting rotations of your fan. It's been a lot of just hoping, praying, giving up, getting back every day. You know, before the waking of a nation, I didn't shoot anything for 10 months. I was sitting at home.
Really?
Yeah, I was sitting at home doing nothing. I mean, sure, the perspective and the perception that, you know, people sometimes have is that no, you do these things also, you do something, you must be doing something.
Instagram के वजह से.
Yeah, you know, and with social media and with the people around and especially like you know, artists everywhere have this need to actually tell people that they're busy. You know, everyone's busy suddenly, but nobody's that busy.
Yeah.
You know, nobody's busy enough to not give your people time, your family, your friends. Actually, like, sure, there might be spurts of it, but on a whole, so I think before, like, kind of like the years that I have been trying to do this have been filled with resilience, whether I know it or not. Because there were many instances where I was like, I'm going back to Delhi. I'm going back to my parents because
नहीं हो रहा है.
and for various reasons. कभी ऐसा होता है कि where is next month's rent coming from? Like you can't. You just don't know. वो तो now I started believing कि कुछ ना कुछ हो
हो
ही जाएगा.
जाएगा.
But that also takes time. That has to happen enough number of times for you to believe it.
Yeah.
Like a lot of times you think that you're not cut out for this profession. A lot of times you think that you're not good enough or you haven't gotten the chance, and there are days where you are bitter. Basically, I don't think there's ever been a moment, but it's been a large kind of scheme of things where resilience is something you need to survive.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Taruk. 6 points and lots of love to you for this.
Yay!
Okay.
चल, तेरे को चाहिए. Wait.
8. चलो अभी
चलो
आपको-
यार.
6 ले लो अभी, चलो.
नहीं, मेंटल हेल्थ पे 4 दे दो, चलो.
अच्छा.
I think we'll just let Taruk win.
Yeah, I'll take a 2
No,
next.
listen, I don't want to be like, I don't want
No,
to.
listen,
like-
Samir,
No.
we'll just let him win.
No,
Forget it.
no.
No, listen, we'll just, it's
It's
okay.
okay.
He'll
It's okay.
He'll start, he'll
It's
feel
okay.
bad, he'll start
It's okay.
sulking.
Trust
me. I won't start
It's okay, no,
We'll
it's
let you
okay.
win.
No, one second.
What is
No.
आपने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है जिंदगी में.
हाँ, नहीं,
अच्छा,
मैंने
at
कुछ
least
नहीं
over here.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Actually, सच बताऊं, मेरी लाइफ एक वेकेशन है.
Okay, then we are winning this. चलो,
yes,
let's win
exactly.
this.
Okay, back in the game, bro.
Okay, so you took a 4 points question from mental health. एक ऐसी फिल्म बताओ जिसमें आपको लगता है मेंटल हेल्थ को बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया गया था.
If dysfunctional families come under the purview of mental health, तो फिर मैंने एक फिल्म पे काम किया था, कपूर एंड सन्स. उसमें उसका बहुत, उसके जो अंडरवर्क्स है बहुत प्यार से दिखाए हैं पूरी फिल्म में, कि वही है कि जो एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स और जो जहाँ पे एवरी पर्सन इज इन देयर लाइफ एट के, और सबके जो एक गाना जो हमने वो जो एंड में जो गाना जब फिल्म खत्म होती तो उसमें एक स्केलेटन्स इन द क्लोजेट करके हमने एक गाना जो था इंग्लिश और हिंदी में दोनों में किया था, तो उसमें हाँ अंधेरों से दोस्ती है पुरानी, अनविता हैड रिटन इट.
हाँ.
सो वो थी इसलिए कि सबके अपने अपने सीक्रेट्स एंड पीपल डोंट टॉक टू ईच अदर,
Right.
एंड दैट इज व्हाई सो मेनी थिंग्स कैन जस्ट गो रॉन्ग इन योर लाइफ. और वो चीज़ मुझे लगता है कपूर एंड सन्स में शकुन ने बहुत प्यार से उस चीज़ को पूरा कैप्चर किया था, विदाउट मेकिंग ज़्यादा हुपला और ओवर ड्रामेटाइज करे, उस चीज़ को करेक्ट तरीके से दिखाया था.
Or even when we were talking about Dear Zindagi and what Gauri tried with Gauri did with Shah Rukh and Alia, and he was actually played the role of a psychotherapist, exactly in that. So I had liked that film, and I think it spoke directly about a girl who's going through, an identity, sort of situation. So
That's right.
yeah,
Right. But 4 points उनके हैं.
उनके
लेकिन वो है कि एक डाइविंग बेल एंड द बटरफ्लाई करके एक
Oh,
मूवी है जो शायद मैं 3 बजे उठ के रात को रोया हूँ देख के, क्योंकि वो रेजिलियंस पे स्पेशली मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, हाउ अ पर्सन गेट्स पैरालाइज्ड कंप्लीटली एंड थ्रू वन आई एंड्स अप राइटिंग अ बुक. व्हाट अ पावरफुल फिल्म. आई मीन दैट स्पीक्स ऑफ लाइक बीइंग सो डाउन एंड अंडर स्टिल बीइंग मेंटली स्ट्रांग. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल. इसलिए वो मुझे सबसे पहले दिमाग में आई थी, इसलिए पूछा था इंग्लिश वाली चलेगी.
नहीं, of course, thank you for sharing that. And at that point, please don't forget to watch The Waking of a Nation.
Streaming on Sony Live.
Okay, चलो moving on.
हाँ.
Sir, आपकी
Thank you for
आपकी
that. We
बारी.
didn't have to do that.
हाँ
अरे यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा, थैंक यू यार, ये तो बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ, आप हमारी टीम में हो.
हमारी
Yes. Your turn, sir. Okay, which question?
यो वेकिंग ऑफ अ नेशन के लिए थे. चलो
तो इसमें आप
चलो four. Let's because since you reminded us
specific
that,
ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, there are specific ones.
Stick
Yeah.
ये आपके लिए ही है.
अच्छा जी.
हाँ, बहुत interesting question है ये. Was Taruk always your first choice for this, and why?
no, so Taruk was not it's not like as if there was a first choice. We auditioned about 200 people, and so Taruk, when we saw his audition, Abhimanyu Ray is our casting director, and then we auditioned him 2 or 3 times after that again, and I felt that I hadn't actually seen Taruk's work like that. Okay, so I only judged it from the audition. I had seen little clips of Mismatched, etc. So when I saw the range and the, sort of, I also, I take talent for granted. So if you're there in the audition, I take it for granted कि if you're going to work with me, you're talented. Okay. What I saw when I met him was there was a hunger, a sincerity, and that is what spoke to me in the eyes that were there when I met him in the office. And that if you're like hungry about what you're going to be doing, then talent to ho hi jayega.
Hi, क्या बात है तारुक. How is this तारीफ making you feel?
Very good. Like, actually, like,
No, I keep saying if I was to cast it again, I would cast him again.
Oh, that's the best thing
Yeah.
for an actor, right?
Yeah,
that is.
Yeah. Thank you so much. 4 points are yours.
Thank you.
Sir.
Fully.
Okay.
But still this
give him 8. I think you should give him 8.
अब अपने एक पर्ची उठा के दे तो चुप।
बोलो ना.
next film also I'll give you. Chal.
हाँ 4 पर्ची
ये पूरा स्कोरबोर्ड
आपका है
दे दो.
दे दो.
इसका क्लैप बोर्ड बना देते हैं।
मैं अपनी जमीनों की पेपर ला. Yes.
चलो, back to you.
6.
Oh,
भाई
Work life.
Who has been your favorite co-actor to work with and why?
Actually, you know, it's a very simple answer for me. I'll tell you
Okay.
why. It is Abhinav Sharma. He also happens to be my best friend in real life. We grew up together. We've known each other since we were children. Same class. His mother was my teacher. We've been best friends since we've grown up, and we landed up playing best friends in Mismatch.
Oh,
It is the biggest kind of when we shot our first scene, we were just looking at each other saying, "This cannot happen.
क्या हो रहा है भाई?
How can this happen?" So I mean, in the sense, like the comfort that there is can't even be built. Like it's just there.
6 points to Taruk for that. Okay, back to you.
he's winning here.
हाँ तो क्या करें, वर्क लाइफ में से ही ले लेते हैं।
Okay, with the current changing music landscape,
हाँ
क्या biggest challenge है आपके लिए अभी? You know, what's the biggest challenge that you face today as a composer, as a music producer?
the biggest challenge as a musician individually is the same challenge that was 18 years ago. How do you get better? Are you doing whatever you're doing is good enough? Do you still suck at it? The same old questions. बाकी ये है कि if you talk about work wise, because you've ended up like जैसे मैंने 20 साल तो हो ही गए, 20 से ज़्यादा हो गए, 1900।
ऐसा लगता तो नहीं है, आप तो बहुत
हाँ वही है, मैं बाल अवस्था में शुरू कर दिया था। नन्ही किशोर अवस्था में मैंने काम शुरू कर दिया था, बट तो या बट लाइक वही है कि इवेंचुअली आई थिंक टर्फ चेंज होती रहेगी। अब वही था कि पहले एड से शुरू करा, फिर स्कोर्स भी किए, गाने भी कर रहा हूँ अपना भी। हम जैसे मी विद माई वाइफ नेहा बसीन, वी डू लाइक फोक, वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। बट डेली चैलेंज तो वही होता है जब बैठ के आप मशीन पे या अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ बैठते हो कि यार आज कुछ अच्छा होगा कि नहीं होगा। एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली थिंग फॉर मी दैट इज अ चैलेंज एज ऑफ नाउ।
Yeah, and you also work with AI a lot. Matlab,
Yeah.
you are like best friends with AI.
I mean like it's like you should know your enemy.
Nice.
I'm very curious about it. Yes, I've literally got all the possible from your DeepSeek to all your leading image to video, image to image models on my computer locally deployed. But they still haven't reached
But you
anywhere.
think it's like the enemy for music, AI?
In some ways, especially for people who are upcoming, because a lot of जैसे क्या होता है हर इंडस्ट्री में एक गिग वर्क का एक होता है कि कुछ ऑफ कोर्स प्रीमियम वर्क पहुंचने के लिए हर इंसान को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन तब तक जैसे अगर कोई जैसे व्लॉग्स के लिए भी कई लोग म्यूजिक कंपोज करते थे, या अगर कुछ छोटे सीरियल्स होते थे छोटे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, उसके लिए लोग कंपोज करते थे, वो सारे एकदम से गायब हो जाएंगे क्योंकि वो सब सुनो AI हो गया, फलाना AI हो गया, उसमें जाके दे विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग, एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग विद व्लॉगर्स। सो उनके लिए बहुत डिमोटिवेटिंग हो जाएगा। और देखिए जब हम लोग शुरू किए थे उस टाइम पे ये इंडस्ट्री सोशल मिसफिट्स की थी। तुम इंजीनियर नहीं बन सकते, तुम डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकते, करोगे जिंदगी में, टैलेंट है चलो म्यूजिक कर लो। एंड वी चांस्ड अपॉन दिस इंडस्ट्री। आज देयर आर मतलब स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग आउट ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ म्यूजिक स्कूल्स एंड साउंड इंजीनियरिंग स्कूल्स। तो आपको उन सबको अकोमोडेट करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ मॉडल तो होना चाहिए, दैट स्पेशली दोज स्लाइटली एंट्री लेवल वर्क वेयर दे कुड लाइक हार्नेस द टैलेंट एंड गो अप। तो वो चीज़ अब दिख रहा है कि मुश्किल होने वाली है। द वे दीज मॉडल्स आर इम्प्रूविंग डे बाय डे, इट्स स्कैरी।
So you know, it actually also makes it as generic as possible, like
Yeah.
the outputs they give you, and that
Right.
will kind of fuel mediocrity even more,
Yeah.
True.
because
Yeah.
nobody will try to make something amazing.
हाँ.
What it gives you is not brilliant or bad; it is the middle.
एंड प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाती है कि वी गेट यूज्ड टू मीडियोक्रिटी, लाइक इन द सेंस पहले लोग वाइनल पे म्यूजिक सुनते थे, उसके बाद सीडीज पे सुनते थे, फिर टेप्स पे आए। आज आप 96 किलोबिट्स की स्पॉटिफाई पे भी सुन लेते हो ना, सोचते नहीं हो। और इफ यू गो बैक टू द वेव एक्सपीरियंस, वेव फाइल सुनना या एक वाइनल सुनना, द एक्सपीरियंस इज मच रिचर।
Right.
बट यू से नहीं यार मेरे फोन पे सारा म्यूजिक है, मैं क्या करूंगा अभी वाइनल खरीद के, कहाँ लगाऊंगा, कहाँ सुनूंगा, उसमें 10 गाने हैं सिर्फ। So technology also changes the turf, right?
There are people who are passionately mediocre.
सही बात है नहीं also ये भी है कि you know when great artists use these tools they also make some crazy magic out of it. तो हर जो जैसे दुनिया का दस्तूर चलता है वैसे ही चलता रहेगा, टेक्नोलॉजी शिफ्ट होती रहेगी, यही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल 6 points to you.
Thank you.
चलो
चलो.
राम sir, coming
Yes.
back to you.
What shall we now? Waking of a nation again. अच्छा, that work life.
आप आ जाओ वर्क,
चलो work
आपने
life
जवाब
पे
दे
चलो
दिया, हमारे
चलो,
बच्चे
ठीक है.
हैं.
Okay, done.
That's yours only.
Oh, that उधर लिखा है मेरे लिए.
हाँ, ये आपको
आपका ना,
Oh.
specific question
These
है
ones,
आपके
these
लिए.
ones are all 6.
So, Neerja completed 9 years recently. How do you look back at that experience and like, बस हमें बताओ कि वो experience कैसा था आपके लिए? हाँ, does it feel like 9 years?
4 साल कोविड खा गया ना.
बिल्कुल, सच में.
So I made Neerja because, like, obviously there was Atul Kazbekar, there was Simon, the Samyukta, the writers, there was the producer on the job. And when Atul first came to me, my wife Amita's best friend Ellie was in school with Neerja, and the last ad that she did was with my partner's partner. Her name is Ayesha Sayani, and so that she finished the ad and she got on the plane. So we had heard about this when we were growing up. I had never met Neerja, but I had heard about her. And then I went and met the family. I met the Bhanod family and I met the mother. And the thing is that my son is also a music director. And so sometimes when he comes home late at night, whether it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and you know, because he's like at a music studio and I'm awake because you're worried, you know, as a parent. And so I was wondering, how does a family overcome the loss of their child? When I met Neerja's mother, and so I said, listen, I'm going to make this an inspirational, motivational film about, I could have ended the film on Neerja's death, and then I got Shabana ji to do the speech after that, because that was really the reason that I wanted to make this, which is to tell people how do you overcome a loss like this. So I think what I remember most is actually Neerja's mother and how she dealt with the loss that she went through.
Yeah, but that film, I mean, सालों तक लोगों ने उस फिल्म के बारे में बात की, आज तक उस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Everybody goes and calls their mother after that.
Yeah, it was beautiful and बहुत सारी चीजें.
No, thank you.
But like Sonam Kapoor, we also saw her in it. I think you have this.
तारुक भी देखो न्यू लाइट में आ
मैं
गया.
वही
देखो
बोल
वही
रही थी
अभी
आपको कि I think you have this thing of being able to see actors in a way that you know probably nobody.
No, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
पर कैसा था
No.
सोनम के
ऐसा है
साथ?
तो सही.
No, Sonam, see, I speak to Sonam often, and I have genuinely enjoyed working with her. She has a worldview, and the books that she reads, and so if I talk to her about a French film, she's seen it. If I talk to her about a book, she's read it. So if I tell her, listen, there's John Le Carre's book on Little Drummer Girl, she knows about it. She's read Milan Kundera, she knows. So that worldview, or what I call as a like-heartedness or a Sir Hriday, I found that there was a worldview that matched. And I don't know why people are surprised that she did what she did, because every time they tell me that, as you've told me that, but I genuinely respect her for, what she's done there when she's crying or she's eating the chocolate and she's, reading her boyfriend's letter. Those are not things that a director does, okay? But I have worked with some really bad actors, and there is nothing I can do. So these people are talented. Sonam is talented. Taruk is talented.
6 points to Ram sir.
Give him more.
more coming in the answer.
And we're going to take a look at the scores now, because इसके बाद we are going to end with a very fun segment. Taruk is at 14.
He's winning.
The
Whoa.
winner is at
Whoa,
16.
how did you get here?
I have no idea, sir.
Yeah.
And Ram sir is at?
16.
Oh, it's
16.
a tie. Yes.
You just took वो जो 2 points ले लिए ना तुमने शुरुआत में.
I would just like to
Take the
add
higher
that-
road.
That I don't think I have ever been happier at somebody else's win.
Yes.
If
But-
they're winning.
But
they're
it's
winning.
not yet the win.
Seniority.
We have one
Basically,
more.
you are kind
No,
to us.
there's one more.
We have a finale round, okay,
Chalo,
and
great.
here is your chance to redeem yourself.
Okay.
This
You
is the
loser.
Let's use the hair.
this is the over friendly round.
Okay.
Okay.
Friendly round.
आपके पास 60 seconds है, 1 minute है, और you have to answer as many questions as you can.
The word over friendly kind of like just it's like
It's like oversharing.
yeah, it's
Yes.
it's a little
Let's overshare.
Let's
चलो,
overshare.
तो कौन start करेगा पहले? Who wants to start?
The young, the yuva.
You want to start?
Yeah.
चलो. Okay. All right. Taruk, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. And your 60 seconds.
Oh, 60
Who did
seconds.
you recently start following on Instagram?
I followed Neha Bhasin.
Oh, wow.
Okay. An actor you wish to work with.
Shah Rukh Khan.
A director you wish to work with.
Ram Madhwani ne.
Come on.
Again, the answer.
Your first email ID was.
Oh, it was Taruk is a good boy.
But he can do better.
at yahoo.com.
That's सवाल और है.
Your all-time favorite singer.
All-time favorite singer. Oh my God. John Mayer.
Okay. The most random thing you've Googled recently.
Oh, I was looking for a different kind of attachment to my tap.
Acha. Okay.
yeah.
If one day you
Nice
woke
one.
up as Ehsas Channa, what would you do?
If I woke up as her,
Ehsas, huh?
I would just, I don't know, yaar. What does she? I mean, it's a pretty great life she lives there. Anything,
Anything.
just be aisa Channa.
Yes.
Okay. 60 seconds खत्म हो चुके हैं and you have answered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. So
Wow.
7 points to Taruk.
The faster you
Okay.
answer, the better.
चलो, आपकी बारी. Ready?
Hmm.
Okay. And your 60 seconds. A song you're listening to on loop.
07 Destiny.
Most used app on your phone.
Infinite Painter.
Who's been your biggest music influence?
John Williams.
An artist you wish to collaborate with.
A.R. Rahman.
What have you learned from Neha Bhasin?
How to be a good boy.
What's your secret talent?
Secret talent, lying.
What is the first song you remember loving as a kid?
Def Leppard Photograph.
Oh, nice song.
Wow. One word for Ram Advani, the filmmaker.
Oh gosh.
Rockstar.
One word for Taruk, the actor.
Chocolate boy.
Oh, dark chocolate boy.
Dark chocolate boy. Better.
A singer you think is underrated.
Taruk.
Yes.
If
Though you
your-
have trending songs.
And
not-
last, if your
No, yes,
life
yes,
had
I
a
would love to.
theme song, what would it be?
Zindagi ka safar.
क्या बात है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 points
Oh, gosh.
11 points चलो राम से let's
Send
see
the
if you
rookies
beat
in
that
first.
This is a very stressful interview.
Yeah.
आखिरी 1 minute your 60 seconds begin your first paycheck amount was
1,25,000.
wow yeah
But
A film
it was for an ad film, not for me.
okay a film you wish you had directed
The Godfather.
an actor you want to direct
Ranbir Kapoor.
an actor you would want to work with again
Sonam.
a film you recently saw and loved
The Order.
an ad jingle you still remember
हर एक friend.
जरूरी होता है.
love it your go-to excuse for being late
I'm not late.
Never late.
the person you are closest to in the industry
Maman Irani.
a filmmaker who inspires you
Mike Lee. He's a British filmmaker.
okay if you could remake a classic film which one would it be
I would not remake anything. I don't want to do any more remakes.
if not in the entertainment industry you would have been
Nobody.
okay so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 again
We are tying.
again there is a
Yeah,
tie
Tying.
Tying.
11 and 11
Chalo.
amazing wow 11 11
Who wants to do a push-up competition?
एक सेकंड. तेरा चेहरा ट्रेलर में है, हमारा नहीं है. This is our win, that's your win, okay?
Exactly. No, exactly.
okay and I will end with one question and this is a question specifically to you
Yeah.
and this is in reference to the waking of a nation this is also in reference to the nation we live in today जहाँ पर freedom of speech ये एक बहुत ही tricky सी चीज़ है आपको क्या ऐसा लगता है that you know considering the situation around us right now do you ever rethink or think twice कि यार मैं ये कहूँ कि नहीं कहूँ because even the waking of a nation right there is a chance that there's a chance that people can just call out because they call out anything today. So, do you ever
So-
think about this?
Well, it's not about the situation today. I'm by nature somebody who is careful about what I say. And by nature, I'm somebody who would like to also reach out to a family audience. So there is a value system that we would like to put out into society, whether we're making Nija or Arya or the Waking of a Nation. So I'm not here to create any controversy. I'm not that kind of person. And in any case, the show is really against the British Raj. And that's really what we're saying, which is that what they did was something which we know about, but you don't know there was a conspiracy, there was a larger hand. And it's really about racism and prejudice. So I'm hoping that when people receive it, they will receive it with that light. I'm like, obviously, everybody's anxious about how people are going to receive it, but that's really what this is. It's a piece of work which is fictional. It's inspired by true events. And so, like, basically, I'm obviously worried about, I'm hoping people like it. I want to reach out. And that's the same anxiety that I think all of us have. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Taruk Raina, and you're watching us on Yuva. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn your bell icon, turn your notifications on, do all of that good stuff.